It's Darren with Darren's Miracle Meat Dust, and we're going to do my snack crackers. If you guys have ever seen this at our trade days or farmer markets, we usually have these as samples. I came up with the idea because a lot of people were coming up to us and they were not really happy eating a raw sample of our seasoning. Some people can, some people can't. And if you go to like your smaller antique stores and stuff like this, a lot of times they're selling what they call them firecrackers or Cajun crackers, depending on where you're at. And so you have like this really hot saltine cracker, right, with Cajun seasoning on it, and you're washing it down with a cold Coke, and it's like the perfect hill country road food, right? So I'll show you how we do our version. It's only 3 ingredients: oyster crackers. And the oyster crackers do not taste like oysters or saltines. So that's another conversation we've had with people before. I'm using my heat dust on this one here, just to make it a little spicier, and just some kind of a basic, any kind of vegetable oil will pretty much work on this one here. All right, so that's it. So just a couple steps. I preheated my oven to 250 degrees. You're wanting to toast them, not cook them. Okay. 1 bag of oyster crackers. About a 1/4 cup of oil. Okay. And I actually like this little scooper I got from my old Fry Daddy. I no longer have my Fry Daddy, but I still have my scooper. This is perfect because you toast everything really quickly. Okay. Crackers are nice and shiny. So you got the oil in there. Take about 4 ounces of the seasoning. Okay. Sprinkle generously all around. About 4 ounces for 1 bag. Is why I'm a big flavor guy, so. Okay. And the same thing, you're gonna mix it out again. But I found it's really important if you put the oil in before you put in the seasoning. That way it kind of toasts nice and even. Okay, there you go. Put it on a cookie sheet. Whoops. Not gonna fly. We're gonna put them in the oven at about 250 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you can start to really smell them, that's when they're done. And pop in the oven. All right, so our crackers are done. Again, put them in the oven for about 250 degrees, about 10 to 15 minutes, give or take. It just really depends on the pan, metal, glass, stoneware. All that's going to change the time and temperature of the cook. But the color on these is really crazy, nice and deep red on the crackers. You put them in your car, put them in a bag, put them in a whatever mason jar, put them in your cup holder. These are perfect for road trips. They're salty, they're a little spicy, perfect with a Coke. Enjoy.